The radius and height of cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and the volume is 550 centimeter cube. Find its total surface area. Here's a diagram for the cylinder. We are given that radius and height are in ratios. So if radius is 5x,
The height is 7x.
exactly, height should be 7x. Let's find the volume of this cylinder. Pi can be 22/7, 5x whole square times 7x. We can cancel 7 and 7 here. 22 times 25x square. Why? 5x whole square is 25x square times. We can write this whole as 22 times 25 times x cube. And this is expression for the volume of the cylinder. Okay, now what was the volume of the cylinder?
550.
Can I write it like this?
Yeah.
22 times 25 times x cube is equal to 550.
Yeah.
So what is x cube?
Equals to 550
Divided by
22.
times 25. 11 will cancel 22 in 2 times and 515 50 times, right? Now I have 50 over 2 times 25. 25 will cancel 50 in 2 times. 2 over 2, 1. So x cube is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. What is being asked in the question? Total surface area. Total surface area formula, do you know? 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. 2, what is the value of pi? I would be taking 22/7. What is radius? 5x. So radius is going to be 5 times x, which will be 5 only. Right?
Yeah.
Because x is 1 itself.
Yes.
So now x doesn't matter with 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So 5 plus what is the height? Of course, that is 7 into 1, 7 again. Now solve this. 2 times 22 times 5 times 7 plus 5 is 12. Whole divided by
7.
Okay, so 2 into 22 is 44 times 60 divided by 7.
It will be 2640 by 7.
So finally you will get 377.14 as your final answer. Okay.